How to pin stickers in Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to pin stickers in Instagram Reels. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, tap on the plus sign in the center. And then on the bottom corner, hover over to Reel. Now tap on your gallery in the lower left corner of your screen. And then choose an existing video that you want to use for your Instagram Reel. Once you've chosen one, you're going to trim it depending on your preference and then tap on the add button on the upper right. Once satisfied, click on next. In here, tap on the smiling square on the upper right. Once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear. In here, you can use the search bar this time. And then search for any stickers that you want to use over at your Instagram Reel. And as you can see, there's now a sticker available for my Instagram Reel. Recently, Instagram removed the option to pin a sticker, so for now, we will make do with a sticker that is default on Instagram. Once you are satisfied, you can now post the Instagram Reel. Once you are done with it, just click on Share. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.